Today I'm going to be unboxing the iPhone 13 Pro, and this is not going to be I'll be during the unboxing I'll be comparing this to the iPhone 11 Pro Max's packaging from 2 years ago. Now this is not my phone, this is actually my mother's phone. New phone, this will be my soon to be iPhone 11 Pro Max. So let's get started with the unboxing. So they've removed the plastic wrap, and the box is actually twice as, I don't know why this box, my 11 Pro Max box won't close, but this is like, I think half the size, half the thickness of the 11 Pro Max's packaging. That's because there's no power brick or earbuds with this phone. So slot A, slot B. And so now let's open up. And I think the 11 Pro Max is supposed to be on its back side, not its front. But look at here. Now let's set the phone aside for a moment. And here we get our Lightning USB-C cable, which for some reason they include without a power brick. I don't understand that. And it's designed by Apple in California manual, which if we take a look at inside, it's got one Apple sticker instead of with the 11 Pro Max packaging. Obviously you get this, and where do the Apple stickers go with this box? And a tiny manual. Let's just get this back in the box. And then you obviously got your earbuds, power brick, and cable. Now obviously you get your SIM ejector tool, your basic warranty information, and your Apple sticker. So let's just put this back all in its little thing. And now let's do the big moment. Wow, this thing is... Now we'll go ahead and turn it on. And there we go. So, unfortunately I can't set it up, but thank you guys for watching, and as always, peace out.